Hi, I'm Gary Malik, and today I'm going to teach you how to add memory to a notebook computer. First thing you need to do is, well, have the memory to add, and second is find where you add the memory. Now, flip over your computer. Here you have a lot of different access panels on the bottom of your laptop. Here's one for the battery, and there's an icon. Hard drive with the icon. And here it says, it even says RAM on this one. They don't always say that. But one little screw. So make sure you have little electronic screwdrivers. Don't just use a butter knife or something that'll destroy it. Nice and easy. This is a very simple task. Take the screw out.
Is that where you want it?
Yeah. Pop open the lever. Oh, there you go. Now here I have an empty slot. So all I need to do is take my memory, slide it in nicely until it's all in, and then push down. There you go. That's all there is to it. Now just put your little cover back on, screw it in, and start your computer up. Now if you had a memory stick in here, just make sure you replace it with one that's bigger, and you'll see an upgrade.